Hello, this is Teacher Mel and welcome to our video class. Are you ready? That's good. So, our topic today is about the Unit 6 countries and food. So, last time we have talked about the nationalities and countries. So, we discussed the name of the country and its nationality and the flag. So today it's about the food and where it is came from. So before we start, we have here our warm-up game. For the warm-up game, we have the link, and this link will be sent to our group line chat. So you will play this game anytime. I want you to watch this video, but before you watch the video, I want you to play this game. Okay, so this game is about food and its origin. So you are going to match the food and its country. So there are many different kind of food and where they came from. So you have to not to worry about your score, because it is only to see if you know or if you have some idea about where this food came from. Okay, so no need to worry about the score. So it's just for fun if you know some country food. Alright, so this is the link about in the world wall, so you can play many games in this wordwall.net. So I hope you will participate this warm-up game, because it will help you to remember the name of the country and also the food where they came from. Okay, so now let's have the words of the week. Okay, the words of the week, we have two words. The first one is croissant and noodle soup. Can you say it with me? Croissant, noodle soup. Repeat after the teacher. Croissant, noodle soup. Croissant and noodle soup. Okay, that's right. So the meaning, croissant, it means a French crescent shaped roll made of sweet flaky pastry, often eaten for breakfast, or in short, it is bread. Okay, again, a French crescent shaped roll made of sweet flaky pastry, often eaten for breakfast. And the noodle soup, meaning, refers to a variety of soups with noodles and other ingredients. Refers to a variety of soups with noodles and other ingredients. Okay, so I will show you pictures of croissant and noodle soup. This is the picture of croissant. So it is a bread, and it is shaped in a French crescent. Okay, so it made of sweet flaky pastry. Alright, and usually it is eaten for breakfast. Okay, and for the noodle soup, this is a picture. Alright, so we have many different noodle soups in Thailand. Okay, so in English we call that noodle soup. It is referred to any kind of noodles with soup. Alright, so these are the words of the week. And now let's proceed to our vocabulary. Our vocabulary words is about food. Okay, so we have to name the name of the food and its origin. Okay, so the first one is this picture. So this picture, its name is sushi. Sushi. Can you repeat after the teacher? Sushi. Okay, that picture it is sushi. Okay, and it is from Japan. It is from Japan. Okay, sushi is from Japan. The second picture we have is this picture. It is our words of the week. It is name is croissant. Again, can you say croissant? Croissant. Right, and it is from France. France. Yeah, right. So again, croissant, France. Okay. Next we have this picture, and its name is pizza. 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 And it is from Italy. 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 Okay, next we have this picture, and its name is burger. Burger. We can also call this hamburger if we put the ham inside. So it is also called hamburger or burger. Burger. And it is from USA. USA or Germany. It is from USA or Germany. The next is we have this picture, and its name is larb. 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 And it is from Laos. Laos. Okay, can you say it? Larb. Laos. Okay. Next we have this picture. Can you see it? Its name is kimchi. 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 And it is from Korea. Korea. Can you say Korea? So kimchi, it is from Korea. Next, we have this picture. Can you guess what is the name of this food? Okay, the name of this food is called dim sum. Dim sum. Dim sum. And it is from China. China. Okay, so we have next this picture. What is the name of this food? The name of this food is noodle soup. Noodle soup. Okay, can you repeat? It is noodle soup, and it is from Vietnam or China. It is originated from Vietnam or China. Do you understand? So those are the food in our topic. So there are many different food in many different countries. So let's have our grammar questions. So in these grammar questions, I will ask you, what is your favorite food? So there are many different food in many different countries. And what about you? What is your favorite food? Okay, to answer this question, you have this sentence structure using my favorite food is the name of the food that you like. You can say my favorite food is spaghetti. My favorite food is fried rice. My favorite food is carbonara. My favorite food is lasagna. So these are an example of food in any different countries. Okay, in Philippines we have adobo. Adobo is commonly in our country, so you can say, or I will say, my favorite food is adobo. So what about you? So I want you to answer the question using the food that you like in your country. So my favorite food is papaya pokpok, or you can say tom yum goong. Okay, so these are the example of food that you have in your country. Okay, the next question we have is, have you eaten the name of plus the name of the food? So have you eaten name of food? So we can say tom yum goong, papaya pokpok, and many more food. Okay, there are so many food that you can ask. You can ask, have you eaten adobo? Have you eaten spaghetti? Have you eaten burger? So you will ask when you want to ask someone if they have eaten, if they tried to eat it. Okay, so have you eaten papaya pokpok? And you will answer that question using yes, I have. No, I haven't. Again, can you repeat? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Okay, so easy, right? So we have two questions. What is your favorite food and have you eaten? Plus the name of the food that you want to ask. To answer that question, we have yes and no. Okay, so here we have practice. Let's practice the short conversation. So we have a girl and a boy. So the boy asks the girl, what is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? To answer that question, you can say, my favorite food is sushi. Or you can change the name of food. My favorite food is kimchi. My favorite food is spaghetti. So you have to change, or it's up to you if you want to change. So in this example, the girl, her favorite food is sushi. Okay? And we have another question. Have you eaten sushi? So if your favorite food is sushi, you will ask your friend again, have you eaten sushi? Okay, in response, you ask, have you eaten sushi? And if you do, you say, yes, I have. And if you do not, you can answer, no, I haven't. Okay, so if you answer, yes, I have, the girl will ask you, or you will ask another question, or you've been asked another question. Did you like it? Did you like it? You can answer yes. Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Okay, so this is only the example about the question and answer. When you ask someone, have you eaten the name of the food, and if they answered yes, you can answer again, did you like it? But if they answer, no, I haven't, so you will respond to that question, would you like to try? Okay, so if they answered no, you can ask, would you like to try it? And if yes, you will say, yes, I would. And if no, you will say, no, I wouldn't. Okay, so those are the example short conversation. So I want you to practice that short conversation, because in our class, I want you to do it in pair. Okay, so I want you to do it in pair. Like, I will call your name, boy and girl, and then you practice the conversation using have you eaten plus the name of food. Okay, so our assessment right now, I want you to open your book on page 124 and 125, and remember to practice the conversation, because on the next meeting we are going to have an participation or oral. So I will call you one by one and pair you with another students to practice the conversation that we have today. Okay, So I hope you understand our lesson today, and thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye, everyone.